Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to go live on your Instagram by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do here, I would like to introduce the device that I use. So I use the iPhone XR for my device, and let's go jump into the tutorial. So the next thing we have to do is just go open the Instagram application. Here, make sure that you are in a home sections. But if you are not in home section, for example, you are in the explore sections, to create a live, you just need to go click this plus button. And after that, you just need to go click live. And now you have an access to story site, and you can start your live or Instagram live by click this button. Okay, that's the first way. And what about the instant way? If you are in a home section, you just need to go directly slide your screen into the right side until you access the story site. In the story sections, there will be several options too in the bottom here. Since you want to go live, just go click live. That will be the same. You just need to click this button to start the live. You can also adjust who can see or who can receive the notification that you are living. You just need to click this, and you can choose either you want to share to all of your followers or you want to share only on your friends, your close friends, okay. And you can also choose a practice, means that there is no one gonna see or no one gonna receive the notification that you are live, since you want to practice. And after that, you can also do a schedule by click test. You can also send the titles, and you can also set the time when you want to start the live. So if everything is done, you just need to click test, and the live will start on 3, 2, 1, and go. Hold on. Okay, now you're live. So that's all the way how to do live on Instagram application. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.